Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing a BMW X1, the battery replacement. Customer complained that it would take 2 or 3 times to start the car, came to diagnosed, and the problem is definitely the battery. It's weak. I put a jump starter on it and it started no problem every time. Removed the jump start and it was weak again, like cut off the power inside the car and everything. So battery is going to be under the hood. You open the hood. Basically this is it's going to be laying like that. You're going to remove that out of the way. Then you have that tray there. There's a little plastic nipple clip here, and it's supposed to have one here, but it was removed prior. So you're going to remove this tray, and now you can see the battery in here. Okay, so now you're gonna have to remove a few stuff to be able to swap this battery. So let me go through it and I'll get back to you on every step that we have to do to be able to replace this battery. Okay, be right back. Alright, so now we got 2 8mm screws here. We remove those. There's another clip that goes right there. Remove that, remove the bolts. You can take this plastic off. You can take this plastic off. We're gonna expose the battery a little bit more. So to see what else we gotta do to be able to make this happen. Alright? Alright guys, so now we're gonna take this little plastic cover. It has a plastic clip there. The 8mm bolt there. Remove this. Now we're going to take this crossbar, and that's a 10 on both sides, and those 2 bolts right there, that's a 10. So we're going to remove that so that we can access the battery. Alright, so now we took the bar across. Now we got to take this cover. It's going to have a bolt here. It's going to have a bolt there. They're both going to be if I'm not mistaken, 13. So we can take this cover straight out. We expose the battery a little bit more. So let me see what else we need to do. Alright, so in there, if you can see that one hole right there, that's where the battery secure mount is. That's a 13. Take that off. And we're one step closer. Alright guys, so you got the end of the cable. It sits like that. That's a 10. And then we got this sensor here for the battery. We're gonna put that aside. We got this wire here. It's the jump cable. Attaches to this bolt here. Remove that. That's a 13. Then you got another 10 here to remove it from the terminal. And now the battery is loose, so we just gotta jank it out of the place. Alright guys, so it takes an H7 battery, and if you can see that right there, and we're putting these 9 platinum battery on it. To me, that's the best battery that you can get hands on. So we're just gonna slide it back in place again. We're gonna bolt down. We're basically gonna follow the process backwards now, so everything goes back in place and works as it should. And then we got to tell the computer that the car has a new battery. But other than that, let's put everything back together. Alright guys, so now we have the bolt in there, pain in the neck to get to. So now we got to put on the terminals and then start sliding in the front plate. Alrighty, so basically we got that. We got the battery installed. Now we're gonna go ahead and line that front plate on this little guy here, so it will slide down with a 213, one there, and then one that goes here. Let me do that, and then we'll start putting the bar and the rest of the stuff. Alright guys, so before I put that in, I just noticed something. I couldn't find the drain line on the battery for the acid and the vapors and all that, so I had put my plug here, just let it drain on the back just in case. Now when I'm putting this thing in, I found the drain line. That's the drain line. So BMW, when they replaced that battery, which it was a BMW battery, they never connected this back. They just let it hang over here, tucked away, that you couldn't see it. You just thought it was another wire. They never connected it back. So now I'm gonna connect that, put it back in place, and use a little stubby to plug the back side of the battery so that the acid don't fall that way and it goes through where it's supposed to go. So hoorah, BMW, great job you did. Alright guys, so we put the drain line where it's supposed to be. I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up there, but that's the line going there. I'm gonna plug it back. So now we put the cross member, not the cross member, but we put the bar. Now we're gonna start putting on the plastics. So we're gonna start here, we're gonna put the one over here, we're gonna go on that side and put the one on that side, and then we can put the whole plastic that covers everything up. Alrighty, let's get to it. Alright guys, so we got our clip here, our bolt there, our bolt there, our cover, everything is lined up. We come over to this side, we got our clip here, and our bolt there, everything is lined up. So now we just gotta put the complete cover back on, and then the rubber piece, and then we should be able to finish up. Alright guys, so everything is back in place. So you can see. So we got that done. Let me go ahead and start the car. Oh, look at this. Nice job, BMW. What a great job you did. I'm surprised every day. More and more. Wow. Okay, let me take that out for the customer then. Alright guys, all said and done. I carry that down for the customer. I just set it the computer, tell him then that it has a new battery on, and everything is good to go. So yeah guys, like always, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.